Hello, my name is John Ferris. Today I just want to talk to you about tradesmen. Tradesmen and getting your message across on your websites using content. You may be a tradesman, and if you are, give me a thumbs up, or you can make a comment about this video, please, or even like what I'm about to share with you. I've just undertaken a keyword search on Google to find out the keywords connected to some of the words that you might use within your industry. To me, one of the key areas has to be knowing what to put in your posts about the work that you do to attract people to make inquiries to your business. So let's go have a look. Here we have an average monthly research. A builder, which is a key word, a roof, extension and driveway. These are the words I selected, some of them. Now, my builder actually has quite a lot of searches. Metal roofing has lower numbers than roof tiles. So if you're looking at some of these words, you'll notice the variations on the words that may fit in. You'll also notice we have a whole series of words here that might fit in within the business that you run. So, I'm just going to pick up a couple of words here. Block paving, roof tiles, and block paving, roof tiles, and maybe one or two more. So, we're going to go to AI and we're going to start. I offer block. Right. A builder and offer block paving. So what else might I offer? So the average roof and extensions both get reasonably good results. And there's a whole series of other words here that you might consider. So I offer block paving, roofing, and extension work. Offer the same. So we're just doing a search on this to see what AI will say about that. There we go. Some little bit of information in that. As a builder, what would the keywords, what words should I use that would be popular in my content to attract interest? I'm working on the fact that these are important areas, obviously. So let's have a see what AI comes back to us. Okay, now these phrases here are quite useful. So I'm going to put a paragraph together on those. builder who offers right, so if we just take the word design out, that should cover it. You'll notice some of the words I'm removing are actually from a similar concept as I tested out certain things here. So builder, builder tradesman, skilled roof, roofer. So we'll stick in business and just let's see what this produces for us. So there you go. As a builder, here might be some of the content that you might use for your next promotional bit of marketing on your website. You might actually add this onto the landing page of a website to attract interest. So I'll copy that and put more information in. In each section, if you're a builder, you can add a little bit of extra content about certain jobs you're doing. Take an image, like if it was a roof, you'd have the joists of the wood, you would choose the wood descriptions, you might put other technical words in to generate this content. We put together content for sites and posts like this on a regular basis. If that's something you need, let us know. Put a comment on the bottom of the video post, whatever, and let's just see what we could do to get your message across to your customers that are looking for what services you offer. My name is John Fairest, and appreciate your time today to look at the building site and the building industry, AI and website content creation. Thank you.